The Jailer 5050 Mini TMR mixer is a compact and efficient feed mixer designed specifically for small dairy farms and backyard livestock owners. Its key features are as follows: capacity, 50 cubic feet, approximately 1.4 cubic meters. Mixing system. Vertical auger ensures uniform mixing power requirement, requires a minimum of 20 to 30 horsepower tractor weight, approximately 950 kilograms, design, suitable for small farms and limited spaces, easily maneuverable in narrow pathways. Other features: can mix various types of feed, equipped with stainless steel blades, and offers easy operation. This machine is an excellent choice for small-scale livestock farmers looking for cost-effective and efficient feed mixing. The Terex Finley J 1175 jaw crusher is a robust and high-performance machine, ideal for mining, construction, and recycling applications. Feeder system: vibrating grizzly feeder. Chamber size: 1070 millimeters by 760 millimeters, 42 inches by 30 inches. Engine: Caterpillar C9 or Scania, 261 kilowatts, 350 horsepower. Production capacity up to 475 tons per hour. Weight: approximately 51,300 kilograms. Chassis: tracked design for easy mobility. Additional features: hydrostatic operation, auto overload protection. This machine is an excellent choice for crushing hard rocks, delivering high output with low fuel consumption. The Caterpillar D9 T-bulldozer is a powerful and heavy-duty machine used for construction, mining, and land clearing. Engine: Cat C18 ACERT, 436 horsepower weight, approximately 49,000 kilograms. Blade capacity: up to 13.5 cubic meters of earth-moving capacity. Drive system: hydraulic control, power shift transmission. Fuel tank: 889 liters. Performance: excellent for tough terrains, rocky areas, and large projects. Additional features: advanced cabin controls, low noise, high fuel efficiency. This bulldozer is designed for heavy earth-moving tasks and operating in challenging environments. The Jansen Zero grazing machine is an advanced fodder cutting and feeding machine, ideal for dairy farms. Purpose: cuts fresh grass and directly feeds livestock. Blade system: sharp cutter blades for uniform cutting engine, typically PTO-driven capacity, 500 to 2,000 kilograms per hour, depending on the model. Structure: sturdy steel frame with easy mobility. Other features: low fuel consumption, easy operation, prevents fodder wastage. This machine helps dairy farmers improve milk production efficiently. The Liebherr LR 1500 crawler crane is a high-capacity, heavy-duty crane used in construction, industrial lifting, and the oil and gas sector. Key features: lifting capacity up to 500 tons, boom length 84 meters, standard boom, extendable to 150 plus meters. Engine: Liebherr diesel engine, 400 plus horsepower drive system. Hydraulic control for smooth operation. Counterweight: modular system for enhanced stability. Operating weight: approximately 450,000 kilograms, depending on configuration. Mobility: crawler tracks for easy movement on soft and uneven terrain. Additional features: low fuel consumption, auto leveling system, and advanced safety features. Compact design for operation in tight spaces.